South Africa's Supreme Court of Appeal has granted leave to appeal in a case arising from a dispute over the burial of former Zambian President Edgar Lungu, who died on June 5, 2025, and has still not been buried. The impasse stems from President Hakainde Hichilema's insistence on presiding over the burial, which the Lungu family has rejected. The family has instead opted for Lungu to be buried in South Africa, a decision the Zambian government is now challenging in court. In an order dated December 11, 2025, the court granted condonation and leave to appeal and set aside the cost order made by the lower court. The appeal will now proceed in the Supreme Court of Appeal, with the cost of the application for leave to appeal to be decided as part of the appeal. If the applicants do not proceed with the appeal, they must pay those costs. The applicants include Esther Lungu and other members of the Lungu family, while the respondents are the government of the Republic of Zambia, Two Mountains Burial Services, and the Minister of International Relations and Cooperations. The continued failure to bury a former head of state months after his death is a shameful thing for the Zambian government, Hakainde Hichilema, and the Lungu family.